In that first station, Murdoch and Patriot were waiting to take their names, but they overheard commotion. "Oh dear," said Patriot. "Who's causing a mess now?" "I don't know," said Murdoch. "At least it's not ba. Sheep." "No, I don't think it's sheep," said Patriot. "Oh, I think I figured it out." "What?" "Oh. I see. Wait, if the passengers are a little angry? That doesn't sound right." "Oh, would every right to make the passengers angry?" "Beats me," the Patriot. "But there is a rumor going around." "What, about Henry?" the Murdoch. "Yeah." "I don't think the factual has the heart to sell him." "I don't. You could be right." "Besides, I don't fancy having it being a museum piece in Murdoch." "I don't either." It's not exactly rocket science. Don't know, Henry isn't here. Besides, if Henry goes, who will fill a spot? Besides, he's the only one of us who can take the flying kipper. "Oh yeah," said said Murdoch. "The annoying, the smelly kipper." Oh, there's the whistle. "The best get going. I gotta get these goods to borrow." "Yeah, you do," the Murdoch. The Patriot. "I'll see you at the battle sheds." "Okay," said Murdoch. "Thank you for watching." Yes, the Patriot. Goodbye.